Hello and welcome to the new channel. Our passion transforms a community that sees and shares all things new. My name is Juan Lu, live streaming from Antipolo City.
And my name is Nicolo, and you're watching the Tata Short Stories on TNC.
The new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
Sing, sing, sing.
Teka, alam ko na naman. Bakit ganyan na naman ang kanta mo? Ang episode na naman natin ay tungkol sa Singapore.
Ay, hindi po.
Tungkol saan?
Singgalong.
Singgalong? Anong singgalong sinasabi mo, Nicolo?
Hindi, tinidir. Kano na si Tito Anlo, di ka na nadiro.
Biro eh. Ang alam ko, Singapore pa rin tayo. As a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last of the 3 episodes about Singapore. Last na to.
Ay, opo. Sayang di natin nadisita yung idoto nating mga kaibigan sa Singapore eh.
Oo nga, sila Frankie at kung sino-sino pa, maraming magagaling na puppeteers and ventriloquists sa Singapore. Nicola, na di natin nabisita kasi wala nang oras eh. Di ba, God willing, pagbalik ha?
Sige po.
Ang ipapakita po namin sa inyo ay ang huling puppeteer na binisita namin sa Singapore. Ang aking kaibigan, walang iba kundi si Patrick Wan. Si Patrick Wan po ay isa sa mga pinakasikat at pinakamagagaling na mga puppeteers sa Singapore.
Ay, opo, Patrick Juan. Siya ba yan?
Yan, si Patrick Wan. Alam mo, Nicolo, napakagaling na puppeteer niyan at ventriloquist at magician.
Opo.
At ang, kung naalala niyo po, no, a few episodes ago ay pinakita namin sa inyo kung paano kami nagbabasking ni Nicolo.
Opo, nakita natin yan, Tito Anlo.
So ngayon naman ay papakita natin sa kanila kung paano nagbabasking si Patrick Wan sa Singapore.
Nagdadasking din siya?
Oo, nagbabasking din siya. At yan po, ipapakita namin sa inyo, Patrick Wan in action in Singapore. Watch this.
Before the boat had hit the water, the whale sail came up and caught her. Hands to the side, harping and fought her when she dived down low.
Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar, tea, and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go.
No line was cut, no will was freed. The captain's mind was not of greed, and he belonged to the whaleman's creed. He took that ship in tow.
Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar, tea, and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. La 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 la. Nebe sudah tua, dia tinggal dua.
Ayan, nakita mo, Nicolo,
Ladies
maraming
and gentlemen,
tikip.
get ready for a rock and roll classic oldie. The Great Balls of Fire, a classic song. Yeah.
You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much of love, just a man to sing. You broke my will, but worth it. The great balls of fire. Thought it was funny. He came along and he moved me, honey. I changed my mind. I love the fire. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I really never stuck, sure it's fun. Come on, baby, try that grass. Goodness gracious. 大家准备好了，开始喽！1、2、3。特别大的种子，特别大的花。特别大的花。特别大的花，在什么样的花园里面挖呀挖呀挖？种什么样的种子，开什么样的花？在小小的花园里面挖呀挖呀挖，种小小的种子，开小小的花。在大大的花园里面挖呀挖呀挖，种大大的种子，开大大的花。在特别大的花园里面挖呀挖呀挖，种特别大的种子，在特别大的花。大家一起挖呀挖呀挖，挖挖挖挖挖挖挖挖挖。在大大的花盆里看大大的花，
Ayan, Nicolo, si Patrick Juan sa Singapore. Galing, ano?
Ay, ang galing to ah. Parang nahilo ko kung ako yung niikot-ikot ito. Ano, parang nakakahilo.
Ibang klaseng puppet yun. Alam mo yung puppet na yun, galing Vietnam yun. Kaibigan ko rin nung gumawa nun.
Ay, oto, kaibigan natin.
O kaibigan natin. Alam niyo po, dito sa napansin namin kay Patrick Juan while he's busking in Singapore, 2 punto, Nicolo. Unang-una, itong special busking anong tawag doon, busking spot niya ay sa labas ng mall.
Opo, kasi tayo nagdadasking sa loob eh.
O yung busking spot natin sa loob para aircon. Sila sa Singapore, hindi pwede sa loob, bawal.
Ay, ganun po. Kaya sa ladas.
Oo. At alam niyo po mga kababayan, sa Singapore, hindi ka basta-basta na lang uupo sa isang lugar at magbabasking ka na. Even if you have the permission of the spot o yung mall, no? In our case, madalas tayo sa Robinson's Antipolo, Robinson's Galleria, SM City Masina, Gayala Mall Feliz, Robinson's Metro East. Madalas tayo dyan. Nagpapaalam lang tayo sa mall tapos papayagan nila tayo. Pwede na.
Sa Singapore to, hindi ganon?
Sa Singapore, hindi ganon. Kahit na may permission ka nung mall, kailangan mo pa rin ng lisensya.
Lisensya?
License to do busking. At yan ay binibigay ng Singapore Arts Council.
Ay talaga to, hindi basta-basta.
Hindi basta-basta. Baka kasi mamaya, kung anong gawin mo sa kali o kaya anong gawin mo sa busking mo na hindi naman kaaya-aya. Kaya ang busking po sa Singapore ay under the Arts Council. Kailangan may permiso ka, kailangan may lisensya ka to do busking.
Talaga to, nahirap tala.
At isa pang napansin ko, alam niyo po, ito ay special gig na ginawa ni Patrick para sa amin kasi dapat pupuntahan namin siya on a Sunday kaya lang I overslept kaya Monday namin siya pinuntahan.
Ay, Nande. Wala naman nagdadasking ng Nande
Yun nga ang sabi niya, wala naman nagbabasking ng Monday kasi nga hindi naman ganun karami ang tao. Pag Sunday doon punong-puno yung mall, punong-puno. Kaya lang kung napansin mo kahit na Monday, basta puppetry talaga, marami pa ring nanonood. At isa pang napansin ko, yung kanyang actually ginaya ko yun, Nicolo.
Ano to yun?
Yung cashless payment, yung nagtitip ng via, kumbaga sa atin GCash.
Ay, talaga to?
Meron na rin ako ngayon. Actually, sinubukan ko 2 weekends ago. Naglagay ako ng GCash, yung ang tawag doon, QR code. Aba, maraming ang nagtitip na cashless na. Siguro walang dalang pera, so kala ko pinipicturean lang tayo, yung pala, nagtitip na yun.
Ay, cashless.
Alright, let's hear more from Patrick Juan. Okay, so Patrick, say hello to everyone in Manila.
Hello,
your
friends from Philippines.
Not just friends, but fans in Manila.
Oh, I got fans. Okay.
Yes. All right, Patrick Juan with all his marionettes and his busking setup here in Takashimaya. So, Patrick.
Yes.
How long have you been doing this?
A year.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But Patrick, you don't need money. You do this for fun or what?
I'm a retiree, so do it for fun.
Do it for fun and to show your skills in marionettes?
To show that I'm still relevant.
Oh, I see.
I'm
right.
Retiree, old already.
Yeah. And so far, how's the reaction of everyone in Singapore? They love your marionettes. But you're famous in Singapore, so now they see you in the street. What do they tell you? We know that guy. We see you on TV.
Okay.
Yeah? All right. Wait. All right. Ayan si Patrick Juan.
Singapore.
Isa sa pinaka, siguro pwede na nating sabihin one of the living legends in Singapore puppetry. Napakagaling at napakalaking karangalan. Biro mo, wala siyang busking schedule for that day, Nicolo.
Talaga po? Kaya nagdasking siya para sa'yo?
Oo, pagkatapos nga nung recording namin, nung taping namin, sabi niya, tutuloy ko na to, andito na ako eh.
Nagtagalog?
Hindi, syempre English.
Nye.
Kawang eh. Ang magtatagalog, pero yun na ibig sabihin niya, sabi niya, tutuloy ko na to, andito na ako eh. Alright, we hope you enjoyed our series of puppeteers from Singapore. God willing, pagbalik namin doon, marami pa kaming kaibigan from Singapore na pupuntahan, sila Frankio, sila dami, hindi ko na kayang banggiting lahat eh. At may parating na naman na International Puppetry Festival in Thailand. Hopefully we can go this May, God willing.
Opo, sana po.
And we will feature more puppetry here on the Puppet Short Stories. We'll see you again next week, God willing. Pero bago kami magpaalam, baka may parating kayong kiddie party or kiddie event like kung malapit na Easter Sunday please try to book us. We promise to give you a very entertaining puppet and magic show.
Puppet and magic show. In the meantime, thank you very much for joining us. We'll see you again next week, God willing. Bye.
Ang 40D, tumutulong patibayin ng vital organs, iwas sakit sa puso at iba pang sakit.
Ang ubo, mabilis lumala. Kaya dapat agapan. Dapat New Solmux Advanced Syrup. May 2x zinc para ang ubo, imbis na lumala, tulungang mabilis mawala. New Solmux Advanced Syrup.
Unilab yan.